What is going on, everybody? We are loaded up, taking a break from the shop. It's Labor Day weekend. Meeting up with my buddy Kelly, and me, Hunter, Levi, and Kelly are gonna go do a little camping tonight. And of course, Lily, she's gotta come with us.
Okay, sit still, everybody. Don't go away.
We are still riding. I don't know where Kelly is taking us, but it is definitely, as my mama would have said, back in the plucky woods, which is exactly what I wanted. So, good job, Kelly. We should be rolling into camp soon. Otherwise, we're going to be setting up camp in the dark. But
There you go. It's your job now. He's not any more or less out, so.
So we just pulled into camp, and Bozo here managed to get stuck in the campsite. He learned that his four-wheel drive isn't working. So he's doing Jeep things. Well, good. We got Kelly here. Kelly will fix his four-wheel drive over here.
Get up under there. Do you have a flashlight on you?
I do, actually.
Seem to have left mine in the truck.
I have left all of my lights at the house.
I figured you probably didn't bring yours.
Move your salsa.
Oh, wait. Good
Okay. Oh.
Are you in 4?
Nope, that's 2. Was the
Well, it won't move in 2.
No, it does. We've discussed this a lot.
It ain't moving at all, bud.
Good movement, Ghost Rider.
Okay, so it's my front diff then.
I think I hear Spider Gear doing the Spider Gear dance in there. How do you feel about this newfound information? Awesome. We have a welder.
Hey,
We can weld the Spider Gears right here.
You got an ARB locker up there.
What?
yeah, it's ARB locked
Oh,
right
that's
there.
okay.
No.
Did you engage the locker and see if it did things? Hey, look, that works.
You
So,
got it
yeah.
that way.
You're
So
super
I just
full open.
just gotta have the compressor on to use 4-wheel drive. Probably.
And we
Should I
get
test
to
it?
work on it.
Should I test it?
Yeah, you should test it. We have a solution.
Test
It doesn't
it.
require welding. We test.
Well, those were $150 for the set, so.
We're like racing flips out here.
We're just trying to limp them along till we get do that diesel swap. Then we're going to tear it down to the ground and start over. Yeah, he's got to finish the Sammy, exactly. But anyway, that problem is temporarily solved. Let's set up camp. Dude, I thought that was a rolling rock, and I was like, dude, Riker just straight up grabbed your beer and started chugging.
My guy. This is how you start any meal. Nice and proper.
I have something for you to try before you.
Well, I gotta make the grill starter drink.
So Kelly is playing chef tonight. I didn't even bring any of my cooking stuff. This was kind of last minute, and Kelly said, I got lots of food. I've been camping all weekend.
Frozen chef.
So You see he's starting off with the essentials over there. He's got his camp over there. Of course, it takes him 2 seconds to set up his tent.
In between. Let's
Oh wait, hold on. We get to watch tent setup in action.
if only I was like 2 inches taller.
That ain't my problem, you're a budget.
Yeah.
I mean, you got the pot of gold, I got the height, okay?
Well, come use it.
Oh, he tells me to come do it, then he does it.
You took too long. You should have seen your short friend struggling and assisted.
But that was the good footage. I know good footage when I see it.
Anyway.
There goes Hunter. Bring the lights. Bring those lights. Oh, he's making his little drinky drink. I've got my tent set up right there. Hunter's and Levi, they wanted to be cozy and romantic back there in the back corner where nobody'd bother them, so that's what they got. I'm not worried about being cozy and romantic because all I have is the dog. Hey, and in case you didn't know, slap your mama.
All the seasoning you need. Taco seasoning and slap your mama.
I would like to point out that last time we went camping, Kelly was making fun of the color of my hamburger patties. And he pulled some out of the freezer that's the exact same color that mine were.
He's hallucinating. It's a lie.
I don't believe you in your... That just does not look appetizing. You should never look into the kitchen of places you eat. It will just turn you off.
It's fine. I didn't make that. This someone else's leftovers that I stole. Quit looking. I don't know why you're looking.
Likely story. That was the Burger Boys. Speak up for the people at the back.
I do like the burger.
You'll have to forgive him. He's from the mountains of Mexico. That's like a tactical lawn dog.
The next day.
Good morning. It's bright and early, still like 7 o'clock in the morning here. Lily decided I wasn't allowed to sleep in. Kelly's still asleep, so's Riker. Hunter and his friend Levi loaded up and went fishing this morning, so hopefully they'll get some footage from that.
Alright, so me and Levi left camp about an hour or so ago, and we're trying to get to Cooper's Creek store, try to get some stuff, and they're closed. So we're gonna go try to find some fish. Is the spot we're at now. I remember this from when I was younger. This spot used to be slap full of trout. Now there ain't nothing. There ain't no movement, nothing. Casted a lure a few times, nothing followed it, nothing hit it. But did cast into a tree twice, lost a lure. Not a good day. Brand new lure. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get tied back up, go on to the next spot. But great thing is the spot that we're currently at, I got, the first time I used a spinner was at this spot, and I got it stuck in a tree and went to yank it out, but at the time I was real young, so I wasn't very good at getting my lure stuck out of trees. So it very aggressively inserted itself into my shin. And fishing with my dad in the old Samurai, the first Samurai I ever rode in, we had to beat feet back to the hospital. And Rock Creek is a pretty good ways from our hospital. So, beat feet back to the hospital. And at the hospital, got it down my knee with shin. And I didn't touch spinners for a while. If y'all didn't know, this is part of the Chattahoochee National Forest, I believe. And what we're rolling up on now is the fish hatchery of the area. They usually have it open so you can walk around with all the little fish, but I don't want to go down there and find out. We're gonna make it back today. It's 8:30 and we're wanting to get out here and get back fairly early. So there's the fish hatchery. Pretty neat little spot. Rock Creek's just neat. But there ain't nothing good here no more, so and everybody knows about this place now, so it's heavily overfished.
Food porn. Creator of food porn.
Bacon on bacon on bacon.
We got Kelly out of bed. He's whipping us up some breakfast. Then we're gonna pack up camp and go play a little bit on the way home. What's on the menu, sir?
Yeah, ham steaks, bacon, applewood, of course. Some organic free-range eggs, because it makes them taste better or something. And I think Riker and the other boy are just gonna get an onion.
Oh, or are those organic free-range onions?
No, those are definitely store-bought and nothing special.
What do you think, Lily? She's been a camp dog this morning, off leash, just wreaking havoc. Woke me up at 5 o'clock this morning, brat. So here's our little reservoir down here I was talking about, where we went kayak fishing a few times. And you see straight across the lake, right over there, it's a campsite where people will bring their kayaks or little john boats or whatever and go over there and camp for the weekend. And we've caught many a fish just sitting right here on these rocks. Beautiful little lake. Runs down to there to the little man-made dam. Probably one of my favorite places in this area.
I had one shoe that was dry, and now they're both wet.
Be kind to your cameraman.
What happened?
I saw you go for it, and I was like, oh, he's gonna get him wet. And then you did, and I was like, well, now I got to.
I pulled off at the last second. I'll be nice.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna do it. I was like, oh, Hunter's definitely gonna do it. I wasn't expecting that much.
Your log rack's seen better days.
I crunched it.
Yeah, it's gone.
I got a golf ball though.
Okay, so this is the rock face the Rangers use to practice their rappelling and stuff. Kelly's gonna give us a demonstration, so I'll watch him go.
Man, I wish I brought a body double. At that point, I would have just tossed it off the top.
I guess no demonstration today.
Riker can climb all the way up there and get you some footage. Coming up with the police.
So what we got going on here? We got to have our drama before we.
Well, I think I might have gotten a little bit of moisture in my Vicum electrical connections. In fact, I can quite well see that. There's like, so we're water displacing all that moisture.
It is crowded as can be here. I didn't feel like filming inside with everybody, but I'll spin the camera around and show you our little store. You ever get the chance, you're near Blairsville, Georgia, stop and get you some good boiled peanuts. And spin you around. Just our little roadside sunrise grocery. Come check it out. That's gonna do it for this video though. We are gonna go home and get back to work. Appreciate y'all riding along. Give us a like, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.
Well, Levi, this is a little shimmy up to the Jeep.
We just hit a tree.
Yeah.